In a nutshell, we are going to research the fashion evolution of a specific type of clothing over a period of time that interests you. Second, we're going to design and create a piece of clothing that either fits into that timeline that you've identified, or that's a next step in its evolution. You are now sitting in your home groups, but this project is going to require you to be part of an expert group, either trends, marketing, design, or textiles. This is a good time for you to pause the slide and read through what each group is responsible for. Once our research phase is complete, our next step is to share our findings with our classmates. We'll do this in a variety of ways, but bottom line is we need to have something of value to share and bring back to our home groups. After we've shared our findings with our home group and the class, we'll return into our home groups and continue working as a team to complete our designs, creations, and market our samples. Our first task is to create our expert groups. Consider which of the 4 groups you're most interested in. If you have more than one group member going to an expert group, that's okay as long as you have one going to each. Consider the following questions while in your expert groups. What do I know? What don't I know? And how will I find out what I don't know? Upload each task and project phase to the Google Classroom under the code you see on the screen here. Or if you're using a format that's not supported by the Google Classroom, put a note in there letting me know where I can find it and share it with me, either on Google Docs or a different format or in written form. I will not be grading each phase of this project individually. You will receive ongoing feedback from me throughout the course of the project through conferencing. Your final product will be evaluated based on the skills you've applied and the understanding that you've demonstrated. Just a fun side note, some alien friends of mine are looking for some new clothes made out of paper. No, not really, just kidding. The Hamilton Spectator is hosting a contest where we design a dress out of paper and submit it and see if we win. This is a real possibility for you guys to participate in, even though it's out of our age group. Now let's get started. I'm more of your project manager at this point than I am your teacher, and I expect to learn a whole lot from you as we go through this process together. I cannot wait to see what we come up with.
Created using Powtoon.